Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a tabular report in Salesforce. Tabular reports are one of the simplest yet most effective ways to view your data in a straightforward list format, making it easy to analyze records without any grouping or summarization. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the app launcher. Look for the grid icon, typically located in the upper left corner of your Salesforce interface, and click on App Launcher. This opens up a menu that gives you access to all the apps and features available in your Salesforce instance. Once the app launcher is open, search for and click on Reports in the navigation bar. This takes you to the Reports tab where you can view existing reports or create new ones. From here, click New Report to begin building your tabular report from scratch. Now you'll see a list of report types available to you. Select the report type that matches the data you want to analyze, for example, opportunities or accounts. The report type determines which objects and fields will be available in your report. After making your selection, click Start Report to move forward. You'll now be in the Report Builder interface. To refine what data appears in your report, click Filters in the left panel. This is where you control which records are included based on specific criteria. Click Show Me and select the appropriate filter, such as All Opportunities, depending on what subset of data you want to display. Next, you might want to set a date range for your report. Click on Close Date or another relevant date filter and set your desired date range, for example, All Time, if you want to include all records regardless of when they were created or closed. Once you've configured your date parameters, click Apply in the Date Filter dialog to confirm your selection. After setting your filters, click Outline again to return to the field list. This brings you back to the main view where you can customize which columns appear in your report. To add a new column, click Add Column and search for a field you want to include, such as amount or account name. Click the field name in the list to add it as a column to your report. This step is crucial because it determines exactly what information will be visible when you run the report. If there are any default columns you don't need, simply click the X icon on the column header to remove them from your report. You can also customize the order of your columns by clicking and dragging a column header left or right to reorder them according to your preference. This helps you organize the data in a way that makes the most sense for your analysis. Once you're satisfied with your column selection and layout, click Save and Run in the upper right corner. This prompts Salesforce to generate your report and also opens a dialog where you can name and store it. Type a descriptive report name in the report name field so you can easily find it later. The report unique name will autofill based on the name you entered, but you can modify it if needed. Next, click the folder selector and choose a folder in Select Folder where you want to save this report. Choosing the right folder helps keep your reports organized, especially if you're working in an environment with many users and reports. Finally, click Save to store your tabular report. Your report is now created and ready to use whenever you need it. And that's how you create a tabular report in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.